Andrea Tammy here, otherwise known as Lothlenan. Today, I am going to go over 5 really cool character designs for you. By the way, I'm spelling that like design with an I. Get it? Character designs. Because it's eyes. Yes, I know, I'm so witty. You don't have to tell me I know this. Alright, jumping right in. For this set of eyes, I wanted to convey a nosy tattletale who lives next door. And in order to do that, I felt like I had to show sweetness, yet also the capability of sticking their nose in business that isn't necessarily theirs. So for the eyes, while being innocent, I wanted to show that they can see anything and everything. They're just so big. And also the eyebrows make it easier to look like they are judging you because they are thick and full of movement. For the Cardshark, a squinted eye and a low brow can really portray a questionable character. Plus, if you add in some sunglasses, you can barely see their eyes at all. And by seeing so little of their eyes, you cannot tell what they're thinking. They are a mystery, and they're hiding secrets. Like, maybe they have a full house. You don't know. You can't tell. You can't see their eyes. This look would probably also work for a spy or anyone who has to hide their identity or hide what they're thinking. Doesn't work just for a Cardshark. And of course, the sunglasses have to be cool and edgy, just like him. Yeah. This look would also probably work for bouncers or like maybe the head or the CEO of like shady companies. Yeah. This was a super fun one. Karen, the dragon elf. Feisty. For that, we have an elfish, otherworldly set of features in the nose and the eyes, as well as the pupils, which are more reptilian in their length, kind of like how a snake's eye would be, or, of course, obviously, a dragon's eye. Her eyebrows resemble the shape of dragon horns as well, which further emphasize her character as well as her personality because they go down in like that angry angle. And as an overall trait, these eyebrows will actually complement the horns that would, as you expect, be on her head. And also the eyelashes kind of have like this draconic wing-like look to them. The boxer with a heart of gold hands. This is one of my favorite designs of all 5. Well, actually, I like the next one better, but I will talk about hands right now. There's this thing where when the outer corners of the eyes go downward, it often implies like a nice and kind personality. It can also imply tiredness, so do be careful and use this trick wisely. The strong, sturdy eyebrows are straight and slightly angled downward as well, which mirrors the shape of the eyes and also contributes to the overall appearance of kindness and strength. Also put in some wrinkles to show age, plus a nice black eye as well as a broken nose, and you got it. This one was my absolute favorite. This was Sandy, the girl from the ice cream shop. With Sandy, I kind of went for like a fox-like character for the eyes, which kind of is reminiscent of like a pin-up look. And this is why the inner corners of the eyes are so defined. The thing is, when you have a very angled lower lid like this, it makes it appear as if the smile muscles are activated and the character is cheerful and happy. Throw in a smattering of freckles and it even adds to the effect. And actually another name for freckles is sun kisses. She is the super wholesome, slice of apple pie, super nice, beautiful girl who loves ice cream, and she's the sort you could probably trust with the keys to your house or your dog or something. So which one was your favorite? Mine was probably Sandy. I thought she was cool. I like drawing feminine eyes. I don't know, I think they're pretty. But anyway, I hope you guys liked it. Also, thank you so much for 500 subscribers. I actually can't believe that there's already 500 of you, and I've only been doing this for a few months, so thank you. It is very encouraging, and I really hope that you like what comes up next. See you around, guys.